Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Atlanta Marriott Peachtree Corners. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, fitness center, non-smoking rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. This hotel features modern rooms with bathroom amenities made from organic ingredients. It offers an indoor pool and guest laundry facilities. Turner Field is a 30-minute drive away. All rooms at Atlanta Marriott Norcross have air conditioning, cable TV and pay TV. Each room has a spacious private bathroom decorated with granite vanities. Guests can enjoy Southwestern-inspired cuisines for breakfast, lunch and dinner at Chili Lime. Complimentary tea and coffee are also provided in each room. Relaxation facilities at Atlanta Marriott Norcross include a well-equipped fitness center and a hot tub. Atlanta Marriott Norcross is a short walk away from Six Flags. Underground Atlanta is a 30-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.